If you like dogs only, then that makes you a dog person. But if you like us cats, well, then that makes you a cat person only. And if you like both cats and dogs, well, that makes you a cat and a dog person both. There are different colored cats: orange, white, black, black and white, gray, calico cats, all cats of a different color. Me, as for me, myself, I am a cat person. Did I mention that I'm a cat person? Well, I am more than a cat person. I am a cat, and that's me right there holding on to a cat. Giving the cat the nourishment it needs by the petting this cat with beautiful eyes. Cats also have colorful eyes. Some green and yellow, some blue, and also orange. A cat that needs to be loved. There are all cats in this place that are very lonely and need to be taken care of. Lying in front of the fireplace is definitely what a cat loves to do, and that's what I'm doing myself. Now you're wondering, why in the heck is a guy like me, a human being, I should say, wearing cat ears and a cat tail? Well, this is IMVU, and in IMVU you can do mostly anything you want. Remain as a human, or change your role play from a human to a pet. I have decided, for a special reason, to become a cat by having a role play as a cat. As for that big thing up there, that, yes, of course, is a human, but has a role play as a furry. You can be anything you want to be in IMVU. Be a cat, be a dog, a furry, unicorn, vampire, anything. Very hideous creature, but that's him. That's his idea of role play. It almost looks like he has feathers underneath his butt besides just three tails. When you do IMVU, it's different from the way things are in the real world. Well, let's go have a look around. Leave that furry to himself. Big cat room. Now look around here. In this room with wild animals, wild cats. I am a house cat type of. That's the type of cat I am. And of course, house cats don't really get along with wild cats. That's right. Ah, look at this dude dancing in front of me, shaking his tail. Thank you very much. He would be the king of the beast, like the king of pop. So that would make him like Elvis Presley. Thank you very much. I'm not really worried about dancing next to a wild beast because this wild beast next to me is into his own thing, which is his music. He's into his own thing while I'd be into my own thing, which is dancing. I'm into dancing while he's into his music. See the difference? He's a pretty cool guy, though, even if he is a wild cat and nothing like me. Take a look at that. It's like, for crying out loud. Cats don't drink coffee. Well, I am a different kind of a cat. I can drink anything I would want. But it looks a little unusual. This coffee could be mixed in with cat milk. Fish right next to me, an aquarium of fish with different colors. And play the piano. Cats also don't play pianos, but I sure do. A golden, beautiful piano. Either I'm being friendly with this tiger or I am just crazy. But I would say that I'm both, because this is one thing that house cats don't do. Look up there, look up there, look down there. We're just having a little bit of a conversation, though. I don't think he really cares that I am not a wild cat like himself, because cats are cats and it's all mixed into a family. Too bad. Too bad it was never meant for them to get along like family. You be nice to him, he'll be nice to you. Hugging, snuggling next to the tiger. Okay, I will admit one thing. This is something that you, kitty cats, should not try at home, and that is be as crazy as me to where I am snuggling up, where I am a house cat, snuggling up to a dangerous wild cat. Especially like that one straight ahead of me dancing with his music. Still doesn't notice me. I think that's a good thing too, that he doesn't notice me. Ah, there you go, Mom. There you go. Yeah, you just lie down, Mom, and I'll lie right on you. Yep, I'm crazy, but that's me. I can't help that. Just gotta calm them down. while Uncle Lion over there just plays his crazy music. I take a time to just drink a Coke. A cat drinking Coke? Why not? Pet a kitty. One of the other chats where all cats would want to be taken care of. You would have cats of different colors. Cat paws are really tiny teddy bears. No one knows that until now. I like to join him and walk with him while he walks over to his dish. I check in on these cats because no one is here to be with them, watch them, come cuddle with them, nourish them. I'm like a cat caretaker. Look at that. The mouse being chased by another cat. It's the best roleplay that I have come up with on IMVU. Yeah. Arch my back like a cat because I am one. Oh. Do what cats do. The black and white one. Another with spots. A kitty coming out of a Santa hat. A Santa would be coming to your house Christmas Eve, leaving you a little kitty that you would wake up to for Christmas Day. If that's not adorable, then I don't know what is. That is like a mountain lion right there. Don't want to get too friendly with all kinds of cats, you know. Not all friendly like me and the rest of the cats. But these kind of cats need the kind of nourishment and love that they're all here asking for. They'll let you hug them. They'll let you come cuddle with them. They'll let you pet them. They'll let you make them purr. Because that's what they want. here is a cat bed where cats sleep. Sure, you know, cats, they sleep in the baskets, litter boxes, and they also sleep in something like this, too. Nice, huh? The black cat that looks up. As you look at this cat, you can just tell that that is the kind of cat that would be known as the Great Halloween Cat, with the yellow and orange eyes. And there's a name on it. Spirit. Cat's name is Spirit. That would be a Halloween cat. I did mention earlier that there was a reason why I chose cat roleplay. Well, it was for fun, but there is a main reason that I would like to show you. The reason was because of this special lady here that I used to date. Her name was Amy, and she loved cats and she roleplayed as a cat. In fact, that was how I met her. This here was her when I first met her on her account. Someone I dated. Look at that. I don't see her anymore, but she was very special to me. If I was dating, if she was to be around on IMVU again, I would break up with my girlfriend to get back with this one. Meant to be together. There's a couple of few accounts that I've seen her in. This was also her. She called herself Emma. Of course, she didn't wear any cat ears or a cat tail. I miss her. Totally miss her. One of my favorite leading ladies on IMVU. And then another one. She always had a lot of accounts. She doesn't go by a cat name with her handle here, but this was also her. her in the stripes. I miss that love of my life. My wish is for her to come back. This was where I met her. Weeping Forest of Sadness. When we first met and fell in love, she wanted me to give her the nickname Kitty. So I gave her that nickname, and the nickname she gave me was just Babe. Time with someone special like that was very special to me. I became a cat for her. And I carry on that role play. Just sitting right here where she joined me. All the orange leaves that come down. So dark and lonely. Some people do join here. A tree for cats. The cat can sit up on the tree and look at a big, shining, beautiful moon. If this place is not beautiful, then I don't know what is. Thank you. You have a beautiful beach. You're welcome. That over there would be the owner of this chat world. And a little shark ride. Cat riding on the shark. Ooh, look at them go. dancing. A lot of dancing in IMVU. Oh, yeah. It's like you're going on your merry-go-round ride. Here we go. I didn't have to pay for this either. It was pretty free. A cat on an island. That would make me an island cat.
You ask me how I can keep going 17 hours without sleep? Man, this is better than sleep. Didn't I tell you, kid? Didn't I tell you?
Mad Hatter. That sound familiar to you? Mad Hatter? And it should. It's from the one and only Alice in Wonderland. It's all 3 cards dancing in an army. What you see here is also another cat. That's right, none other than the Cheshire Cat. This is more like the Johnny Depp Alice in Wonderland version of the original Walt Disney one, which it's not. Just don't get creeped out, whatever you do, when I go up to them. I say, hey, very loyal cat. Humble sir. Ooh. He's grinning at me as I talk to him. We're just experiencing the life of Alice. Should put a sign up saying, yes, Alice was here.
We're getting into sometimes people never agree when they're starting out in Arkansas.
No.
Oh yeah, look at that all around. It's the Red Queen's minion cards. These guys, you couldn't play a stack of war with these cards. Not when they're dancing like that. March. Bum, bum, bum. Off with your head! I'm probably sitting in Alice's seat. So I got the cat next to me. The red cards who are not moving. Oh, they are. Both talking. Remembering the mushrooms that would make Alice grow big. One side that would make her grow taller, and the other side that would make her grow shorter. This one is based on the Johnny Depp version. Heck, here the windmill. And as for the Mad Hatter, he goes for a fly. You can learn a lot of things from the flowers. Alice was here. No sign that says any of that. Ah, yes. Having a good conversation with you ladies. Let's dance. Let's all dance and move around like a bunch of flowers. We can learn a lot of things from the flowers. La 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 la. Meow. Yeah. That'll make me dizzy. The side of the white queen and the red queen and the red queen. Like, who wants to play chess? Anyone? Oh yeah. They're all gonna surround me. Whoa! What am I gonna do? Who are you? Who are you? Clean cup, move down. Would that be the white rabbit that Alice chased down the hole, or could that be the March hare? That's very hard to tell.
Hey, you're gonna have to come out. Dad's going to bed and put whatever you want on it.
Okay.
Okay? He's just gotta go back. And I'm still waiting for my stuff. So she's gotta get ready for bed.
Well, I guess that's about it. Important and lovable, amazing cats. You remind me of the love of my life, and I will name you Amy, because you have her eyes, and you're the same color.
Where are you going? What are you talking about? You want to go outside all of a sudden?